Are you tired of using normal shake effects in your edits? Then don't worry, cause in this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to create viral glitch shake effect in After Effects. Let's see the preview. First, create an adjustment layer and cut it accordingly. Then go to Effects and Presets and search Glitchify and apply it to the adjustment layer. Go to the center of adjustment layer and create amount and speed keyframe and set them to 15. Go to the beginning of adjustment layer and set both to 0. Now go to end of the adjustment layer and again set them to 0. Now select the adjustment layer and hit U on the keyboard. Select all the keyframes and hit F9. Select the upper keyframes, go to graph editor and copy my graph. Do the same with the lower keyframes. Again create an adjustment layer and cut it accordingly. Go to Effects and Presets and search S-Shake and apply it to the new adjustment layer. Go to the center of the adjustment layer and create amplitude and frequency keyframe. Set amplitude to 0.280 and frequency to 7.70. Go to the beginning of adjustment layer and set both to 0. Finally, go to end of the adjustment layer and set again both to 0. Then do the same process again. Now let's see the final result.